We had a data PCE. Let's have a look. Personal income, personal spending. 0.1 versus 0.1. So what market has done, we pushed into this high 73. We dropped to 55. I'm kind of buying the bounce of yesterday's high. Yeah, so we were like 1 point up here. We can actually dip into this now one more time. Second time. It's 9 o'clock. It's 2 p.m. London time. We could get a little push for this, but I think we should get a push to view up 62. Something like that. Maybe even 65. Liquid is waiting there. I don't want to add until we take that low. We push here and we start to go one way or the other. Takes time again to update my position. Overnight low is here. Okay, let's see if we're gonna now bounce out of this level. I'm just gonna dump. Got a bit too early, as usual. But that's okay. 25 minutes till open. The 65 level is waiting. Almost 2,000 contracts. Should get that. It's gonna be 9 points. Today is 28th of June 2024. This is Trap Trader from London. We are watching ES September future contract. I am already long. Could have gotten a little bit lower. Thinking about adding, to be honest, because this thing is holding.
Order filled.
Here. We have collected a lot of liquidity. So, when you think about it, all the liquidity from here has been collected. No really point to go lower at this point. Unless we get a little bit of bounce, perhaps somewhere here, 62, somewhere here. Should get up there, in my opinion. The first 15 minutes candle top has got it's 58. Oh man, that's the one that we're actually making right now. You can't see it here because it's only RTH. I like to look at RTH time, but in a pre-market I have to look on my all right. So we do have that push. That's good. That's promising. I take
Order
one off
submitted.
here. The early position. Let's just get out from this position. I'll hold this one. So break even on the first position. We can re-enter a little bit lower or long. We can get it.
Order filled.
All right. All right. looks like reversal pattern. I got 20 more minutes still open. This drop was 73 to 50, 53. That's 20 points down. We could get a push into this 65 level. First stop will be 60.
Order submitted.
All right. Yeah, I think the 60, 61. That's stop loss break even, risk removed. At this point, we have to go. I might take one off. But first, we need to get a little push. 12 past. All right. 62 is target, to be honest, because that's what the 15-minute top is. Little pullback. Or should go up there. Yeah. Takes time. As usual, patience is the key here. 5 minutes. Yeah, we did take a couple of 5 minutes. That's why somebody sold into that. 60 is chasing. Price down. No. Um, 1 minute to 15-minute close. And then we can get a little pullback again. Let's see what they're going to do. Oh, we can just push into that 15 minutes straight away. All right, so we have a 15 minutes candle. The top of this candle is 59, which is here. So let's see if we can get a push into that. You're going to stop me. We're gonna go. Oh, good. Now decision. Take that. Got stopped.
Order cancelled.
Frustrating. And what? We're not gonna go lower.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright. One.
Order submitted.
Second one. Let's just get in there.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get pushed now. Sometimes it's better just to grab that once you see like they're pushing through 1, 2. 1 or 2 15-minute candles, 5-minute candles. Sometimes just better take that profit. We're getting closer to open, so that's how you turn profit into a loss. Well, maybe not. Maybe we're going to bounce from here right now. Maybe we will bounce. Maybe we'll bounce. Okay, let's keep a little bit of space just in case. Just in case. Because the moment they drop below, a lot of people will cover. So well, immediately we're gonna push higher. So the worst thing you can do is have your stop loss at double bottom or double top. Because there's always reaction. Let's see. All right, let's go back to 59 and above. Can we do that? Oh, yeah. Again, where's my time and sales? Yeah, we could drop to this 50. I'm not saying we won't. It looks like we're gonna do it. At least dip in it. 4-point stop loss. All right, that'll be. A bit of green coming in. Couple of buyers. 9 minutes still open. I'm not gonna lie, the whole thing looks a bit bearish. $66, $64. Wow, that's a big number. But that was a stop loss. I guess. No. Oh, they took the bottom now. On a 15-minute candle. And let's do the classic thing. Let's sell it into the top of that 15-minute candle. Which means 59.50. Street was very short. I think I'm gonna get out from that position, take that loss if we're not gonna push now. I need to be out just before the open. So what's the plan for today? Plan is if you want to short this, we want this liquidity to be taken first. We'll see how far we're gonna go anyway. But definitely if we open here, there's a lot of trapped shorts in this place from yesterday. And they will get out. Meaning a price will be pushed higher. Yeah, this is where they are. They woke up this morning and we've been up here. So these shorts are not happy. They will have an opportunity to get out. They will get out. We do have this 65 level waiting with 2,000 contracts. That's my ultimate goal. Maybe for the second part, I will sell one here
Order
into this
submitted.
15-minute candle. But I'm thinking we might get to the 65. I'll see. So I think I'm gonna stay in this position now. We might dip in a little bit. It is at 50. That means I will have to, yeah, move my stop loss. Here's this range. I just, that's the, but yeah, shorts from yesterday. We'll see. I might go and get this 50 now. This can also be just basically open and drop. Yeah, we took the 50. Yeah, looks good now for bounce. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes till open. So, well, that's pretty much what we did. This is 15 minutes. Drop the liquidity. We can bounce up here to 57, 59. This is what we closed yesterday. So basically close the gap with the drop. That was the yesterday's high. There's a possibility, obviously, that we can just drop completely to the bottom. Only seconds. 55 waiting. Big boys are negative 346. I don't know if I'm gonna hold this or not. If I see 55, I might close and just reset basically. Look for another trade. Let's see. It looks like we could push higher. 52, 55 is waiting. I can see 55 is waiting.
230 million to the buy side.
Oops.
Nasdaq 100, just 1 million to the buy
Okay,
side.
grabbing this.
Dow 30, 30 million
It's
to the
overnight
buy
low,
side.
right?
Mag 7
Then might go
stocks
and
to
grab
the
that
sell
overnight
side,
low.
2 million.
Then might go and grab that overnight low. Bad trading. I should have taken 300 when I had an opportunity and I didn't. And now I'm just sitting in the trade, which is not great. All right. 65 is waiting. All right, 55. So I can get out. Yeah, I'm gonna get out somewhere here as we push. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But because it looks like we can push now. I took that overnight low. Looking good. Looking quite good right now. $65 is promising. All right. All right. 2000 delta on this one. Wow, that's a good number. I'm gonna stay in this long. I will stay in this long now. 2000 delta. That's a very good number. $65 on the horizon. I'm really looking at the 65. Yeah, but we're gonna close one here, just to be. Okay, delta dropped to 2000, 1900. Big boys are positive 67.
So in 10 minutes time now at 9:45 a.m. Eastern time, we get the US Chicago PMI.
59 is
Forecast is 40 on the prior 35 spot fall.
bit of front running, obviously.
Order
Okay, got
canceled.
one. Let's see if we can catch the 65. Beautiful. 100 contracts. Woof. You see that? Look at that. We're going for that 65. Very nice. $65. 62 and a half. 63, 64. All right, 64. We'll sell it just in front of them. I did sell into this 15-minute candles. So that's how market behaves. It needs to take a little bit of profits. But I think we're gonna push higher. Right? I mean the 65 is waiting there. We're gonna get that. Somehow, somewhat, there will be push into this liquidity at some point. $100 contracts. Bought.
Order filled.
I didn't take profit here, 300. Decided to take here. We might re-enter that short somewhere here.
Order submitted.
What's the reason for that? Well, if you look at electric data, electronic trading hours, look at this. They took this 15 minutes, that 15 minutes. Okay, they have another 15 minutes here, but we can get a pullback into 57, 56. That's why I want to be here. We can just pull back. We have a liquidity here waiting.
5 a.m. Eastern Time.
56
the
and a
release
half.
of the Chicago PMI. The forecast is 40 on the prior 35.4.
So let's see if we can pull back down there so I can re-enter it. And if we know, then I'm gonna be okay with this $300. I'll have to be okay with it. I saw that was like 89 sold. So I don't know. I'm thinking we might get a little pullback. So I can save myself 2 points. There's a news, wait a second. There is a news 45. Chicago PMI. There we go. Well, you have to be careful with this. Got 3 minutes till the news. You can see it on Bookmap immediately, like. But it's okay. I mean, news is news, but the investment that they have made already to push this higher, and liquidity is still there, so it doesn't matter. I will use that news as an entry. There you go, look at it, just dropped into this 56. Yeah, we didn't get that. Yeah, probably. Okay.
1 minute remaining.
Looks like I took myself out of the trade, but 56 is waiting. Let's try to catch that somewhere here. If we can. 40 seconds. It's not like the news is generating price action. It's not true. Unless it's CPI or PPI, this kind of news, but not Chicago PMI.
10 seconds.
Yeah.
47 spot 4, 47 spot 4,
And
higher than forecast
what?
40.
Going up? Ah,
Order filled.
let's go up then. Got this 64, 65.
Protect your trade
Yeah,
from
we're gonna
macro
get to
headline risk
64,
with
50.
Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
Chicago PMI 47.4. Got only liquidity up there. 65 is very close. Should get there. No, I want to go up. They're gonna go up there anyway. Somebody's stepping with the shorts here. 61.25. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It's 3 extra points. No. Pull back. Alright, that's a pullback. Go to 55 then now, yeah? They just want to grab that liquidity. I guess. Because we did sell into this 15 minutes. I don't know, I didn't pay attention. We did sold into this 15 minutes candle, which is here. And that is the reason why we dropped. I bought that unnecessarily, but it's just one contract, so. $64. Yeah, 64 and a half. This is 65. We need to get there. That's where the market is going. Good delta, 1000.
Order
Just
submitted.
gonna add one more here if I
At
can
10
catch
a.m.
it.
Eastern Time, we get University of Michigan data. Sentiment final forecast 66. On the prior 65 spot
Okay.
6, with a range of 76 to
Order
64
filled.
Let's
spot
go.
9.
Let's go
1
with
year
this too.
inflation final forecast 3.2%. On the prior
Push into the
3.3%.
65.
5 year inflation final forecast 3.1%. On the prior 3.1%.
Order submitted.
Expectations final forecast 68. On the prior 67.6, and conditions final forecast 64 on the prior 62.5.
Let's see if we can get more. Delta almost 2000. Strong candles. We should get a push on the second one as well. 65. It wants to go to 65 or 64, 25. It's okay. There we go. Yeah, it's going to be a struggle to get there, but it will happen. It will happen. So drop to
At 10
58.
a.m. Eastern Time, we get University of Michigan data.
5 more
Sentiment
minutes.
final forecast 66 on the prior 65 spot 6. The range of 76 to 64 spot 9. 1 year inflation final forecast 3 spot 2%.
Revised University
On the
of
prior 3
Michigan
spot 3%.
consumer sentiment.
5 year inflation final forecast
no.
3 spot 1% on the prior 3 spot 1%. Expectations final
Nothing
forecast 68 on the prior 67
that could
spot
change
6.
the fate of this
And
market.
conditions final
65
forecast
is
64
the
on the
target.
prior 62 spot 5.
Big delta, 2000 on the scandal. A lot of money invested in this candle. For push into 65. Maybe even higher. We'll see. Once we get there. Maybe 66. Maybe a bit higher. Maybe we're gonna go for 72. Alright, a bit of a drop. That's okay. $56. The time, look at the time, 56. 57. 9:57. Yeah, like let's think about if this is one leg, the second leg can be even somewhere. 66. Let's just measure these legs. Let's say there was one leg here into this. I'll get the second one up there, 70. That's possible. Basically up here. $68. Yeah, it makes sense to go down. Got one more minute.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with University of Michigan
We
sentiment
gotta stop
final.
this up here. Should push through that and get into the 65. I'm gonna close one and see what's gonna happen next.
Ten seconds.
Order
Oh,
filled. Order
beautiful.
canceled.
60.
Order filled.
All right.
3% lower than four.
I
Lower than
think I
forecast.
passed this
3.2%.
account.
5-year
There you go.
inflation final 3%. 3% lower
53.18.
than forecast. 3.1%. Expectations final 69.6. 69.6.
And you think about it,
higher than
oh, you
forecast,
got lucky
68.
because it was news
Conditions
this or
final
this.
65.9.
No, my friend, nah.
65.9.
It's not
Higher
about the
than
news.
forecast 64.
It's not about the news. It doesn't matter what kind of news would come. They had to push through that liquidity. They just had to. There's no other way. Market doesn't care about the news. Simple as that. You have liquidity up there at 65 to go through it. They're gonna use that news to push for it. Yeah, it will care now. That if it was shit news or something, now we can, bad news for the market. Now we can drop. Fine. That's for sure.
We have posted the University of Michigan June
But-
final reports on the feed for all those interested.
Do you want to stay up
Liquidity
to
is the
date with
most
the
important
latest
thing.
and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up
News
today
can
and
be
get our
actually
special
generated
offer of Financial Use Pro
for the
for a
purpose
year's worth of our
of
service
liquidity.
for the price of 1 month and save
Anyway.
92%.
I did pass this account, and that means I'm done for today. I'm no more trading. My plan has been done. Finally, I got paid. I mean, my payout has been accepted. Yesterday. So I'm pretty happy with that, $2,000. And yeah, we'll be trading a real account, a paid account on Monday. probably gonna trade the account that just passed right now. But look at that, 5,000. Yeah. Phew. And we got overnight high. Should just go short here immediately for a little bounce to the downside. There's still liquidity up here. We can still push actually. 70, 77. Anyway, I'm done for the day. It's Friday. 712. Account has passed. Is passed. And I don't need to trade more. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and see you on Monday. Take care.
So the S&P 500 strengthening after that release, currently up 0.47%.